I have a question for you.
Yes.
You guys want to go camping tonight?
Yes!
You can either sleep inside or sleep outside.
Out.
Okay, we're gonna look at the constellations and we're gonna roast marshmallows.
Marshmallows?
Washing our camping cups. And then Mateos and Daddy are starting a fire. Tell us your technique to start a fire.
Well, I get some toilet paper, clean toilet paper, and then I put some olive oil on it.
Where's the olive oil?
The olive oil is right here.
Okay.
I douse it with olive oil, and then I light the toilet paper on fire.
Do you put it under the coals first before you light
I put
it?
the coals around it. I put a hole in the middle of the coals and then start to build up around that toilet paper. And slowly but surely it'll start.
Cool. If you're wondering where Camila is, she's downstairs asleep. It's like only like 7:30, but she's already asleep. So don't judge, my house is trash, but we'll go check her out.
Go. She's snoring.
She's not snoring. You guys, be quiet.
Pillow fight!
Here is what you need to make American s'mores. So this brand, Finney, makes marshmallows, and they make camping marshmallows. It's in English, and it kind of has like American flag colors. So they're sort of hard to find here, but you can order these online. And it's important because it's this special taste, and it's this spongy marshmallow that's like so perfect. So then you need, we use graham crackers, but these biscoitos will work. They're square cookies. So we'll show you those in a second. And then you need a chocolate bar.
See?
That's a perfect.
And then you
How it puffs up.
roast them.
And if it's
Golden
gold,
brown.
if it's gold, it's really good.
Never let your marshmallow on fire because this happens and then it get really crusty.
No, this is what happens. And then the
So then it burns. Flip the other side.
And this happens. It's supposed to be like
Not
this,
cooked
but
on
this
one
happens.
side and burnt on the other. So here's the chocolate bar.
That's a,
And then
But the
here
good
are our
thing is-
graham cracker replacements.
The good thing is.
So what you do is you sandwich the marshmallow and the chocolate in between two cookies.
it gets the burger like this.
And then you've got a perfect s'mores sandwich.
Because look, it's just all burned.
It's supposed to be messy.
So tell us your technique. What happened?
Put it in the fire and let it burn.
You know.
And you like that?
I like to let it burn.
Okay, so this is the technique. You hold it away from the flame
And you keep twisting.
and you keep turning it and you roast it.
And you keep it at the tip.
Yeah.
Once it.
Okay, let's hear.
Mommy.
Oh, no.
Hold on.
Okay.
Oh.
I did put this in here. Hey, mine's going.
Yep.
Yeah.
This way?
Yep. Now you slide out the stick in out of the sandwich.
My marshmallow.
Mine's fat. Look at this. Look at this. Look how
It's stretchy.
wiggly. Yeah. Oh, it's so wiggly.
That's perfect.
Oh, nice. Okay, make your sandwich. There it is.
Slow and steady wins the race.
Yep.
You can put yours on top of mine and then No, like, okay. I want to let you.
It's supposed to be messy and gooey, huh?
Uh-huh.
Maiza, why is camping at home better than camping outside?
Because you never have to like buy, get all your stuff ready and everything's already here when you're at home. And it's much better. And plus, you don't have to go out. And plus, if the coronavirus is spreading, we don't have to leave our home, and we can just do everything here.
It's perfect. Ooh, is that for me?
Here we go, dude. Chocolate marshmallow.
It's good.
More marshmallows? Here, I'll open it.
Anybody want
Is
these?
this empty?
On your marks. Get set, go!
Constellation right there. It's called Taurus. And so over there in that direction, most of it's behind that mountain, is a constellation or a group of stars called Taurus. Over there?
Yeah, like,
That
Oh, it's a lady.
is Virgo.
is that a...
It is a lady.
Yeah, I found it.
Look at
Yay,
that.
I found it.
Look, there's the Hubble telescope. If we could look straight down through the Earth in this direction, we'd be able to, actually we wouldn't be able to see it, but that's where the Hubble telescope is. And the International Space Station is right in line with the Hubble telescope. On the other side of the Earth, we can see that the International Space Station is on the other side of the Earth. And it travels around the Earth every 90 minutes and it goes 17,000 miles per hour. Okay, here's a constellation out here. This is Orion. And you can see the 3 stars in his belt. And then we can see Cancer right up here. Here's the constellation Cancer. And then we can see the moon right there. And right next to the moon is a constellation called Leo. Leo the lion.
That's cool. That's Chiago right there. He's asleep. And then we have Mateos.
Bright.
Oh, sorry, honey. It's 11 o'clock at night. It's dark. And it's so peaceful. The weather is amazing. It's warm, but there's a cool breeze. So it's perfect. Came out to check on the kids.
Hopefully it doesn't rain tonight.
Yeah. Mateos is the only one that made it all night. Okay, let's see it.
This is Macy. She's a french fry. This is me. I'm a potato. This is Maxwell, he's a basic guy. This is Lexi, she's the coronavirus. That's Dad, he's stronger. This is Camry, a bunny, and this is you.
Oh, nice. Look at that beautiful skirt. The coronavirus, eh? Your sister Lexi's the coronavirus?
Yeah.
Oh, Tiago, you're killing me. One of the things I love about Brazil is this grilled cheese, queijo coalho,
I want to taste
with molasses. Mmm.
It's going first. It is not good. It's delicious. Yeah, it's not delicious. Oh, good. It's delicious to kill good.
Quarantine is real. It is real. We are out here trying to survive like everyone else, trying to come up with creative ways to keep the kids entertained and happy, trying to lower the amount of fighting, trying to overlook the mess. I'm trying to find some peace in this. Sometimes we're good at that and sometimes we're not. We're all kind of in this together. So anyway, we had this nice staycation. We're lucky to be out here in beautiful Rio with this beautiful weather. We are lucky to have a pool up in our apartment area, but if you guys have a backyard, all my American friends, you're even luckier. But anyway, much love to y'all. Hang in there. We're gonna get through this. Hope you enjoyed this video and we'll see you next time. Ciao.